Hey, what is up guys, this is Factory here, and on this video I'm gonna show you something really cool that I haven't found in YouTube, but for some reason I found this app under the xposed installer, and you can actually apply themes to the phone. I have the Moto G right here and it's basically stock. For this you have to have a AOSP ROM, a stock Android, or a ROM that actually is pretty close to stock. So first of all, you're gonna have to download xposed installer, install it. I'm gonna leave the link on the description below. Xposed installer, then framework, and select install right there. And after that you're gonna press soft reboot. After you reboot your device, open xposed installer and download it and look for HK theme manager, that one right there, and you are gonna go to versions and download the latest one. Now after you do that, go to xposed installer again and open it and go to the second option under framework and make sure it's like that, checked. My bad. And then go back, framework, and soft reboot again. After you reboot and everything, you're gonna have this app, HK theme manager. Open it. It's gonna ask you for super user permissions. I already have it, and you're gonna have to have a theme app install. It doesn't work with any theme, and CM11 themes or anything like that. It has to be some specific ones. So you have to install a lot of themes and see which one works and show up. So I installed this one. I'm gonna show you how it's called. Jelly Blue X Free CM9 CM10. So it doesn't work with CM11 and sometimes with CM10. I know it's pretty old. The app has to be updated, but it still works, and I liked it. I really like it. So it's that one. Maybe I can leave the link on the description below. It's gonna have to look like, let me show you, like that, blue and stuff. So it looks pretty good and stuff. So you can't apply any lollipop theme or anything like that right now, because the CM11 themes or CM what else, yeah, the CM11, that's it. The CM.1 10.1 I think don't work either, only 10 and 9 and below. So okay, install that one or whatever other you want, but you have to go over here, and if it doesn't show, is that it's not compatible. But first, if you want to, well, just leave it like that if you don't know what you're doing. But if you think you're more advanced and stuff, go to let me see, settings, and you are gonna have to select search options right here and look for, let me see, search for CM themes. So select that one. And what else? Let me see. You are gonna have to change the theme options right there. So allow themes that replace layout. This is very dangerous. So it can you can get stuck on a boot loop and stuff. So at the end, I'm gonna show you how to fix it or something, or maybe I can make it in another video, because this one is gonna get really long. So maybe in another one, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below too. So now press right there, and if it still doesn't show, you're gonna go back again. Let me put the volume down just in case. If it still doesn't show, is that it's not gonna work, so don't try to do anything else. Now I have this one right here, the blue one, and I'm gonna show you how it looks, my system and everything. See, and then if I go to the Play Store and stuff like that, it looks like that. So by the way, if you want to look for themes, you put CM10 theme or CM9 or something like that, and you can find something. But if there's another one right here too, this one works, I'm pretty sure. It's also blue and they have a red and everything like that. But look for CM9 or CM10, CM7 or whatever it's below 10. So I'm gonna install the blue theme, and it's gonna ask me what I want to change, you know, contacts, phone, calculator and stuff. So if you don't want to change, for example, Gmail or something like YouTube like that, you just uncheck it. And if you only want to theme the apps, you would remove system UI, you know. So I'm gonna remove, let me see, because I don't like how the icons look when they're in the launcher. Let me see if I have time though. If not, I'm just gonna do it like that, but you would have to select something right there like icons or something like that. It's gonna take time. So set theme is setting right there, and sometimes it takes a while and stuff, and sometimes it even gets stuck like I'm telling you. But now it's gonna tell you choose next action, choose another theme, full update with reboot, update now, update later. I'm gonna select full update with reboot. So as you can see right there, the icon changed right there, and some of the like the messaging app, it changed to blue and stuff like that. And when I got a message, it's blue too. So look, when I slide the notification bar right there, as you can see, it has the Android logo right there, and the notifications are blue too, and also the software keys, they're blue. They're not white anymore. Now if I go to the settings and stuff right here, they still look white and stuff, but if I go into the settings and stuff, they're gonna be changed. Not like a lot, but they look a little better, and some of them I don't like them. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Just tell me if this was a really cool video so I make more videos like that. It's a little bit dangerous, so I'm gonna try to make another video and show you how to get, like, if you're stuck in a boot loop, I'm gonna show you how to install it. But if you're stuck, just comment right there on the comments below, and I'm gonna try to make the video as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Peace out.